Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're diving into a machine that blends legendary heritage with modern innovation, the Nissan Z R34Z 2024. If you're a fan of Japanese performance, this is one car you'll want to pay attention to. Let's start with the design. The R34Z doesn't just turn heads, it breaks necks. It pays homage to the classic lines of the R34 Skyline while incorporating the sleek aggression of the modern Nissan Z. The signature quad taillights are back, reimagined with LED precision, and the long, sculpted hood flows perfectly into a low, wide stance that screams speed even when it's parked. Under that hood sits a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, delivering an impressive 450 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. Nissan pairs this with either a slick shifting 6-speed manual or a responsive 9-speed automatic. Rear-wheel drive keeps it raw and connected, giving enthusiasts that pure driving feel. Performance-wise, the R34Z rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. The chassis is sharp and responsive, with adaptive suspension that hugs corners and smooths out the straights. Whether you're on the track or carving through canyon roads, the Z keeps you locked in with confidence. Inside, the cabin is all about merging tech with tradition. You'll find digital gauges, customizable drive modes, and a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what really stands out is the driver-focused layout. Everything is within easy reach, and the seating position makes you feel like you're in a true sports car. Nissan didn't forget about customization, either. The 2024 R34Z comes with optional aero kits, carbon fiber trim, and exclusive paint finishes that pay tribute to classic Skyline colors. From midnight purple to Bayside blue, it's a nostalgic nod done right. This car isn't just a rebirth, it's a statement. A perfect blend of past and future. The Nissan Z R34Z 2024 isn't trying to be something new. It knows what it is, a celebration of performance, heritage, and pure driving joy. If you're a fan of JDM legends, this one's for you. Let us know in the comments, would you take the new R34Z over a classic GTR?